What is up, guys? Mobile Gamer here. And today in this video, I will be upgrading the quad bike that I have got. It's a pretty good bike. Oops. It's a pretty good car. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Comment what games I should play next for you guys that you would highly recommend that I should play. I don't know what to play at all, actually. I have 3 games right now: Hill Climb Racing, Agar.io, and Clash of Clans. Which I've thought about doing a Clash of Clans gameplay video, but I don't know if that'd be interesting for you guys. I kind of want to get my base a little bit better. You know, I'll think about doing a Clash of Clans video next. Just why not? Either Clash of Clans or Agar.io. Which I suck at Agar.io. Agar.io is a game you get lucky in. You don't get better at. I mean, you can get better at it, yes. Like right now, I'm on level 43 on Agar.io. That's not because I'm pro. That's because I've played that game for so many years and got big because of luck. I've played that game for about a year and a half, probably. Has it even been out a year and a half? It feels like a year and a half. There you go. So this is like a little update video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it. Like I said, this is a little update of what I should play next, or what you guys should want me to play. I'll let you know. You know what? No, let's keep playing. It's only at 2 minutes. I was thinking about just making a video for like to ask you guys what I should play next, but let's just keep playing. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, I wanted that double flip. Hold on. Nope. Hey. No, 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 no. That's close. I don't know if I mentioned it, guys, but earlier I was playing the VR, the phone kind, not the PS4 kind, but the phone kind. It was pretty freaking intense. It was fun. My sister bought her one. She bring it over and let me try it out. It's alright. I like it a lot, actually. There is a roller coaster one, and there's a VR one, or not VR. There's a VR roller coaster, a VR skydive, which is freaking awesome, the skydive one. And there's a VR Insidious, and the Insidious one's, it got me. It's pretty freaking scary. Hey, ah. That'll probably be the last run. It's 12:22 in the morning, guys. I'm not tired, it's just I really didn't feel like recording today. Which I did, actually. I did feel like recording. But I really want to play Agario right now. So guys, I'm not doing this for the money. I'm not doing this for anything. I'm doing this for you guys, you know, I'm trying to get some fans, you know. That doesn't mean I'm doing it for the money. And I want to try to hit a play button to where I can show my mom that I can get rewards and stuff, which I'm not saying she don't trust me or believe me. I'm just saying that I really want the 100K play button. And we're only at 19 subs. It's going to be a while until I get that play button. So, what I'm telling you guys right now, please smack the crap out of that subscribe button, please. I'd really, 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 really appreciate it if you guys would just do that. So anyway, I'm going to end this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.